Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Collective. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 BMW Camper van. This isn't just another vehicle, it's a game changer in the world of luxury and practicality. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this van a standout. First off, let's talk about the exterior design. The Camper van showcases BMW's signature styling, combining sleek lines with a robust frame. The front grille is bold, giving it that unmistakable BM presence. The LED headlights are not just functional, they add a futuristic touch to the overall aesthetic. You'll also notice those elegant curves along the sides, which enhance aerodynamics and fuel efficiency essential for any modern vehicle. Moving on to the midsection, the Camper van boasts an impressive wheelbase, providing stability and a smooth ride. The available color options are striking, with shades like metallic blue and pearl white that really catch the eye. Plus, with options for larger wheels and sportier trims, you can personalize this van to reflect your unique style. Now, let's step inside, where the real magic happens. The interior of the Camper van is a blend of luxury and functionality. High-quality materials adorn every surface, from the leather-wrapped seats to the polished wood accents. BMW has incorporated advanced technology throughout the cabin, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with your devices. The digital cockpit is customizable, allowing you to choose what information you want at a glance. The seating arrangement is versatile, with options for both passengers and cargo. Whether you're going on a family trip or a weekend getaway with friends, the Camper van has you covered. The rear seats can be folded flat to create an expansive cargo area, perfect for all your gear. Speaking of technology, let's not forget about the safety features. The 2025 Camper van is equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. From lane keeping assist to adaptive cruise control, BMW has prioritized your safety on the road. Plus, the vehicle comes with an advanced parking assistance system, making those tight spots a breeze. Under the hood, the Camper van offers impressive performance. With a turbocharged engine that balances power and efficiency, this van can handle anything from city driving to long road trips. And let's not forget the smooth transmission that provides a seamless driving experience, ensuring you enjoy every mile. So, there you have it, the 2025 BMW Camper van. It's a perfect blend of luxury, practicality, and advanced technology. Whether you're an adventurer or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this van has something for everyone. If you're considering a new vehicle for 2025, make sure to check out the Camper van. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest in automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.